Samsung improvements of the Galaxy S24 Ultra may surprise you all. And I have no doubt that the new AI features will wow you all even more than the AI features of the Pixel 8 Pro. Here are some of the fantastic AI features of the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 from Qualcomm. According to a leaked document, you can remove an object from a picture just like you can on the Pixel 8 Pro, but Samsung and Qualcomm are going even further, and now you can remove an object from a video one step ahead of the Pixel 8 Pro. Not only is generative AI at its peak, but they are also going further by creating a custom background for the video. To enhance the image's brightness at night, the Pixel 8 Pro this year included a nightside video. An S24 Ultra will be the first Android phone to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. We're going to witness the same feature with the term night vision for video capture. Additionally, they enhance GPU performance, allowing us to game at 140 frames per second. This is 25% faster than the previous generation, and the processor is 30% quicker and 20% more power efficient. An overclock version is one additional feature available only for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Not only does the basic model feature our new look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but it will also have a clock speed of 3.19 GHz instead of 3.3 GHz. These four color options, a yellow one that resembles a golden hue, a new violet gray color, and a new black color, have been confirmed by Ross Young, meaning they are the official options for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Based on the renders, it appears that the phone will have a glossy back and a flat display, which makes it appear thicker than the S23 Ultra. Maybe these are just renders, but this is how it will look like, and these sides are going to feature a titanium frame. With the addition of a new flat display, they're going to change the displays of Galaxy S24 Ultra, a new M13 displays. And this is the first time ever Samsung is going to use the same display across all models of Galaxy S24 lineup. S24 Plus and S24 Ultra will feature a Quad HD Plus resolution display compared to 1080p display on S24 based models. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.